As some of you might know, I'm not big into going out, nightlife, partying, drinking, that sort of thing. But this past weekend, some friends, along with my girlfriend and I, decided to go to a local club for their Halloween party. We stopped off at a really cool tiki lounge on the way there, had a couple drinks, ended up out till 1 in the morning getting real sweaty and real funky on the dance floor. Didn't want to waste an opportunity, so I threw a roll of Fuji Superior 400 into the Minolta Freedom that we just recently got at the garage sale. If you want to see some more images from that camera, check out this video up here. I went through the roll pretty fast. I saw a lot of opportunities, and it was just really fun taking a no-nonsense point and shoot with a flash, just kind of documenting the night. Flash works great. The camera does really awesome in this situation, as you can see, and I think I got some good photos. As someone who obviously likes nice cameras, nice point and shoots like the Olympus XA, it is refreshing to sometimes just grab a cheap point and shoot that you pick up from a thrift store or a garage sale and just shoot it. It's a nice little reminder that it's not really about what you're using, it's about the moments and the photos that you actually make with the camera that people are going to care about, or that you're going to look at later and remember all the fun times you had. I'm glad I brought this camera with me and not the XA. I think it would have been hard to focus, more of a pain in the butt than this camera was. So, hope you enjoy the photos. Thanks for watching. Have a great Halloween. Stay safe, don't drink and drive. You know the drill. See you later.
I'll play 1v1. I'll play you guys.
What do you win? Just like
No, nothing. It's just like me and my girlfriend have a thing where it's like we fuck with each other all the time.
Alright,
We're going on shoot.
Ready? On shoot.
ready.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh shit, okay. I'm also
You fucked.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, don't do it to him.
Damn.
It's gonna pot him if you keep beating him.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Okay.
You're up next. You're up next. If I go 2 for 2, I gotta play you guys all again. Okay. Ready? Okay. Yep. Ready? Go. Ready? Yep. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Yeah! Okay. All right.
That was wild. That was wild.
Rock, paper, scissors, I've ever seen.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god!
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh!
2 for 2.
Dude! Is this gonna be a blowout?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh!
You're up.
Shit, babe.
Okay.
Four.
I got 3. Okay.
Wait,
I know
so
we're
that
gonna
was like 75%.
You ready?
I think he won, dude. Dude, he's just as into it.
Bonus round.
Ready? Yep. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go! Come on!
Oh, no way!
4 out of 4.
Thank you guys
Beautiful.
so much.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Amazing.
I hope you guys have a great night, though.
You too.
Thank you. Have a relaxing night. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Just tell the
You
guy
guys,
to fuck off.
I know. You guys made my night. Thank you.
Well,
Wait, I'm
and
not
your
gonna
own